Hey guys, today I'm sharing some benefits of hibiscus tea and why you should include this tea in your diet to lose weight and some of the health benefits you can get by consuming this tea. This tea can be had warm or chilled and I'll be sharing the two ways which you can have this tea. Hibiscus tea is a herbal tea made from the petals of fresh or dried hibiscus flowers. If you live in India, especially in the south, you might be familiar with hibiscus flowers, which Malayalis knows it as Chemparati Puva, and it adorns the garden of most Malayali home. So today I am sharing some health benefits of hibiscus tea and how it will help you in your daily life. This tea is made from the petals of the flower and it has a fruity flavor, somewhat like a cranberry flavor, and is crimson red in color. It's full of antioxidants that improves heart health and decrease the risk of heart disease. It also reduces cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It lowers blood pressure. It helps to control bladder infections, combat fatigue and stress. It is anti-inflammatory, anti-aging. It calms hot flashes. It protects the liver, reduces anxiety and depression, and prevents common cold and flus. It's incredibly high in vitamin C and several minerals, boosts the immune system and reduces the growth of precancerous cells. In some desert countries, hibiscus tea is used to help maintain a normal body temperature. Hibiscus is rich in vitamin C and thus it helps to boost your immune system. Hibiscus tea helps to lose weight. The fruit acids in hibiscus functions like a laxative. This tea may help your body to prevent carbohydrate absorption. It blocks amylase, an enzyme that breaks down starches into sugars. Therefore, hibiscus tea reduces amount of sugar absorbed into the body, prompting weight loss. This tea has no calories and I strongly advise you not to add any extra sugar while consuming this tea. Hibiscus tea has been used in ancient time as a healthy drink and a mild medicine. Now, having said all the benefits of the tea, it's important to mention some of the side effects of this tea. Hibiscus tea should not be taken if you are pregnant as it stimulates menstruation or blood flow in the uterus or pelvic region in pregnant women. Hibiscus tea should not be given to infants, should not be consumed by breastfeeding women, pregnant women, or people with kidney failure and low blood pressure. Now let me show you how to make this healthy tea, which you can have it warm or chilled. To make 1 cup of hibiscus tea, I am using 4 hibiscus flowers. I am removing the petals of each flower. Now gather the petals into a strainer and rinse it lightly. This is just to remove any dust particles if there are any. Now boil 1 cup of water in a saucepan and once it starts to boil, switch off the flame. Add in the washed and cleaned flower petals and give it a stir. You can see how quickly the color is drained off from the flower. Now you can flavor this tea with cinnamon sticks, ginger, cloves or even mint leaves. But I like it plain because this tea gives a cranberry-like fruity taste which you will really start liking it once you start drinking this tea every day. Cover it with a lid and let it steep for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's about 20 minutes now and let's check on the flowers. You can see that the color of the flowers has completely drained into the water and the water is having a nice red color. Now let's transfer this into a cup. And now you can see that it's a beautiful magenta like color. So I'm going to squeeze in half a lemon. As I am squeezing in the lemon, you can see the color is changing into a more brighter red color. See how the color changed into a brighter red crimson color. Now give it a stir. Easy and healthy hibiscus tea is ready to consume. To serve the hibiscus tea chilled, what I do is I fill a glass with ice cubes and pour the tea over it and garnish it with a slice of lemon. If you like this recipe or you would like to see more recipes like this, please give a thumbs up and do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, bye bye.